Okay, the third question says there are X goats on a field of area 3 what hectares. There are less than 20 goats on each hectare. Write an inequality in X. Write an inequality in what? X. Let's assume we have, let's say there are 15 goats on what? Maybe 3 hectares of land. On 3 hectares, right? Of land. And they want you to find how many goats. Let's say this is goats. And they want you to find how many goats do you have per hectare or on 1 hectare. Is it not to divide 15 goats by the 3 hectares, right? You have what? 5 goats for each what? Hectare. Let me use HA. Am I correct? Yes. Now let's bring this one into this place. There are X goats on a field of what? 3 hectares. In other words, to find, because I have each, I've always said this. Once you see each in a word problem, you have to deal with it. So for each hectare, to find how many goats you have on each hectare, you are going to do what? X goats divided by the number of what? Hectares. Have you seen it now? What we did here, 15 goats divided by the number of hectares. I've written an expression now. The next part of the question said there are less than. So this is X goats over 3 hectares. We give you how many goats per hectare or each hectare. X over 3, that is 15 over 3 gave us what? 5 goats on each hectare. Are you seeing it now? Okay, X over 3 gave us how many goats we have on each hectare. But the question said there are less than 20 goats on each hectare. Have you seen it now? 20 minus 20. The expression is complete. Are you getting it now? So the expression is complete. If I want to complete it, if I want to take, for instance, I want to solve it, I have X over 3 less than 20. This 3 here, we go to the other side. That is, this was divided, 3 was divided. So if it goes to the other side, it will multiply. X, 20 times 3 times 20 will give us what? Less than 60. Any of these is the answer. Thank you.